Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today's video is going to be a bit of a get ready for back to school with me. I moved back down to Vancouver in less than a week, so there's lots of stuff that I have to do. I have to pack pretty much everything. I'm going to pack my school bag, just everything that I need to do before back to school we're doing in this video. I probably need to also go shopping for a few more back to school supplies. Okay guys, so it is the next day. It's actually 6 o'clock and I haven't packed one singular thing because I got sick today, bro. Don't want to talk too much about it because it was gross, but I got sick. I'm fine now. Like, I have a bit of a headache, but anyway, we're getting on it now. I wanted to get some of my clothes packed away, and then I want to organize my bag for school, which you can kind of see already. A little sneak peek. Anyway, I'm gonna be fitting all my clothes in 2 big suitcases. This one, and a small one. That should be enough. Okay, I already put aside all the jeans I want to bring. First are these ones from Hollister. They're like baggy low rise. Then another pair of baggy jeans are these Garage jeans. They're a bit of a lighter wash. Then I have 2 pairs of Garage slouchy jeans. I have this wash, and then I have a lighter wash. As you can tell, Garage is probably my favorite place to buy jeans. And then I have 2 low-rise flare jeans. These are H&M. I really like these, and I especially like the back. They have pockets on them. And then these are actually thrifted flare. And I really just like the wash of them. These are from H&M. They're just a standard, like, straight leg jean. In total, I'm bringing 7 pairs of jeans. Is that a lot? Yes. Okay, next I'm gonna go through sweaters that I want to bring. Okay, so those were just sweaters, not even considering hoodies and stuff. So first, this really cute zip up. This one from Garage. It's like the tight waist and then the baggy. This one from H&M. It's the off the shoulder. Oh my god, so cute, purple. This one's from Blue Notes. It's just a green oversized. This one from Zara is probably my favorite sweater. I wear it like all the time, and it's nothing crazy. It's just a cute v-neck. I just ordered these 2 from H&M and I still don't really know how I feel. This is this one. It's like cropped-ish, and then this one is a dark gray with buttons. So I don't know, I think I'm gonna bring this one. I may return this one because I don't even like the color on me. So sweaters and jeans packed. I'm gonna go through my hoodies now. First, my Aritzia zip up. This one from Aerie. This one from Aritzia, it's super big and warm and heavy. I also forgot this sweater, but this is an Old Navy cardigan. Aritzia hoodie, and then a black Aritzia hoodie. I'm trying to have more of a basic closet, like staples. Oh my god. Okay, I think that's all the clothes I'm packing for right now. Bro, I still need to pack sweatpants. Oh my god. Okay, wait. I'm gonna do sweatpants. Not too many sweatpants. I have these ones to match the hoodie. These black ones to match the hoodie and other sweat set. And then these gray ones. And then lastly, these ones from Brandy. They're like a lighter material. Now I am done clothes right now. Anyway, I'm gonna be going to Walmart tomorrow to get stuff I need, so I need to make sure I know what I need right now. I have a notes going. I just need black pens. This is my pencil case. I'm gonna take everything out and wash it right now because she's a little bit crusty. I think I'll just get like a couple more notebooks. So now I'm gonna go through my school bag. I'm really excited about my school bag because it's really cute this year. This is she. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with her. First of all, my Labubu is adorable. And then this is the Coach City tote bag. So she's just like an empty vessel right now, which I don't think I would thrive with. So I bought this off of Amazon. It's like a bag organizer with a bunch of little components. Also keeps the shape of your bag. I'm just gonna go through what I'm gonna need in my bag. 2 most important things, my laptop and my iPad. I probably won't bring my laptop everywhere, but my iPad for sure is going to every class because I use her for note taking, so obviously. These are my noise canceling headphones. They're just the skull candy ones. They're really cute. I love the color. But this is gonna be my keychain. And then my wallet just clips on here too. Now the one thing I wanted was a little like emergency kit essentials, and I thought this little Dior bag was so cute. So the main things I use: lip balm, a hair clip, a lip gloss, hand cream. That's all I need. I actually have this Christian Dior hand cream. I have this cute hair clip plus hair ties. I'll keep tissues in here and then lip balm. I also want to get a mini deodorant, so I'm gonna put that on the list. And then I'm gonna put in a little mini perfume too. So this one is perfect. It's just a little roll-on one. I just love this bag. It's so cute. So that's all I'm gonna put in my bag right now because I need to figure out pencil case and stuff. The state that my room is in right now it's stressing me out. Okay, I just packed away this whole other side of the suitcase. So I'm making progress, but I'm gonna go to Walmart like pretty much now because I need to get stuff. Look at this notebook. That's so good. There's too much stuff in my room. Just got back from Walmart. I have so much stuff on my desk. I physically cannot function. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a bit of a haul. First, I got some notebooks. This is just a plain black one, but you guys already saw this. But this one is so cute. I love it so much. This is so freaking cute. Black pens. I got new razor inserts. Why are they so expensive? New cotton rounds. A new Nivea Soft. This is different than this one, so I hope it doesn't break me out, otherwise I'll lose it. Next, I got a mini deodorant to put in my... Girl, why is there no cover on this? You think someone used that? Whatever, guys. It's just a backup emergency one. It's fine. I also got some Hawaiian Tropic sunscreen. My favorite sunscreen is Hawaiian Tropic. It smells actually so good. Then I got a new body lotion. This is the Cocoa Butter Nivea. Let's test her out. Yup. I love how it smells. Delicious. Then last thing, a new mascara. Let's put this mini deodorant in this little emergency kit. Perfect. And then let me put these black pens in my pencil case. Made in Japan, you know they're gonna be fire. I tried to pick the pens that looked most Asian. I'm very particular about my pens. I literally stood at the pen section for like 10 minutes. Okay, so I needed to drop off my brother and his friends for his little birthday party thing that he's doing. And I'm just waiting for my mom. She's in there paying for their movie tickets. And then I think we're gonna go somewhere shopping. I don't know, guys. I'm just along for the ride. I was just a chauffeur, so... Okay guys, I just got home and I think what I need to do is put all my classes into my calendar because I genuinely don't know when my classes are. Like, I picked them, but I could not tell you. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna put them all in my calendar so that I just have everything ready. If that is not daunting, I don't know what is. Oh my god. Anyway. Okay guys, that is the end of my getting ready for back to school video, plus packing, plus literally everything. Am I completely ready? No, but I'll get there. My next video will be me moving into my dorm, so if you want to see that, make sure to subscribe, and yeah, bye!